Welcome to another HIIT in your home workout series. Today we're going to be doing some cardio. Let's jump right in. We're going to start off with plyometric skater squats. Challenge your balance, take your time on the way down, feel that stretch in the front of the quad, lower yourself controlled, and that'll be your first exercise in the sequence. Okay, next up we're going to take it right to the floor. It's the mountain climbers. You know these. And as you know, you can always elevate your hands if you'd like to warm up a little slower. Next up is the power stomp. If you can find a bench, a high curb, a box or something like that, you're welcome to use it, but if not, check it out. We're gonna be standing balance. Bring up your foot, bring it down to that surface, and alternate. Kind of nice with nothing actually, because I have to stop it with the power of my core, and I just have to stabilize. Great way to get your heart rate up with no impact. Next up, we're gonna go right into our standing oblique crunches, sometimes called the crescent crunch. I'll look like a crescent moon as I step in, lateral spine flexion. Bring the knee out to the side, even more than I did in my first few reps. Bring your knee out to the side, bring the elbow downward, your spine crunches to the side. You can really feel that side of your core. This next one will help you make some friends in a public park. This is the crab walk. Right back in PE again. You know we like our triple step patterns across the frontal plane? Check it out. 1, 2, 3. Add a calf raise. 1, 2, 3. Add a calf raise. You got it. Kickers. You can kick it off standard style, or you can reduce the impact, really emphasize the stretch. Up to you. Next up is a front kick. Feel that stretch. Stretching out your hamstrings that you've strengthened.